Political phrases. Phrasography in political matter. The following phrases are illustrative of the kind commonly met in taking notes of political speeches, etc. The shorthand writer should keep himself informed in regard to the political questions of the day and familiarize himself with the phrases which almost invariably accompany the introduction of any special legislation. The list of phrasograms here given will serve as model for similar phrases. Jolitical. We also call the political phrases a jolitical. So today class in first phrase of today class is Act of Parliament. Act, then Parliament. Of का omission. Act of Parliament. Next, first load. Then FRS and for lot is L. First lot. At the first reading. Then at for first we make the ST का loop and R, D and ing. So at the का omission at first reading. Freedom of press. Then freedom in half length and M. Freedom of the का omission and PRS. So freedom press of the का omission. So freedom of the press. Next, at the second reading. Then at and second R D ing and का hook. So at the second reading. Freedom of trade. Freedom M and FRM. Freedom of commission and trade. Half length. Freedom of trade. At the third reading. Then at and third and R, D and ing. At the third. THR in half length. Third reading. Home Rule Party. Then HM. Home Rule. For rule we make the R and for party make the P stroke. Intersection. ठीक है. Home Rule Party. Next, British Constitution. Then BR British. Then S Constitution. British Constitution. Honorable and learned member. Honorable then learn. L and for member. ठीक है. Honorable learned member. British Empire. BR in half length, British Empire, EMP, M and downward R, Empire. Honorable gentleman, honorable and gentleman. J with N hook with half length. Next, cabinet meeting. So K B cabinet and N, ठीक है, KBM मीटिंग, मीटिंग के लिए M स्ट्रोक. नेक्स्ट, ऑनरेबल मेंबर, ऑनरेबल member, chairman of committee, then chair, M with N hook, chairman, disjoin करके committee, T, ठीक है, chairman committee. Honorable member of Preston, then honorable member for commission, then Preston, PR S T with N hook. Honorable member of Preston. Chancellor of the Exchequer. So Chancellor, CH, Chancellor and then Chancellor and checker के लिए J. Chancellor of the Exchequer, Exchequer. House of Commons, then House Commons, House of Commons. Colonial preference, then K colonial N and for preference PR, colonial preference. House of Lords, House of Lords, then House and Lords. Commissioner of Works, K M and Commissioner Works, ठीक है, K M then N hook, then downward R, K S, Commissioner Works. Next is Conservative Party, then for Conservative S with R and for Party P stroke intersection के साथ. Then House of Parliament, then H double S and P, ठीक है. This is his houses. Houses of Parliament. Next is Imperial Parliament, then MP, PR and L. For Imperial, I am PR and L. Imperial Parliament. Then parliamentary committee. So for parliamentary, PR L and disjoin करके committee. ठीक है. Then in committee of supply. Then in disjoin करके committee and of commission and SPL supply. पार्टी लीडर्स. सो पार्टी का के लिए हम P स्ट्रोक बनाएंगे, बट उससे पहले इसका इंटरसेक्शन करके, बट पहले हम लीडर्स लिखेंगे, उसके बाद इंटरसेक्शन करेंगे. सो L D and S and for party disjoin करके party leaders. Next, in the House of Commons. So in the House Commons, the intersection. Next is plenipotentiary. So PLN Plen and P potentiary. In the House of Lords. So in the House and for Lords L. ठीक है. ये वाला आउटलाइन भी मैंने गलत बना दिया. ये बनेगा इन दी हाउस के लिए एस एंड कॉमन्स. ठीक है. सेम इन दी एस हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट इज पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल. सो पोस्ट मास्टर के लिए पी एस and for general J and N. General, post master general. Next is Labour Party. So L B R Labour and disjoin करके उसके ही पैरेलल में party P stroke. Then is Prime Minister. So PR M prime and for minister and STR prime minister. Next is leader of the house. So leader L DR leader of the का omission and for house S stroke. President of the Board of Agriculture. So इसकी आउटलाइन बनेगी PR President and then Board of the Agriculture. ठीक है. President of the Board of Agriculture of the Commission and of का omission. ठीक है. Next is leader of the opposition. So leader L and DR leader and यहीं से इसको इंटरसेक्शन करते हुए opposition. Then P S and shun opposition. Next is President of the Board of Trade. Then PR S and फिर board in half length and trade in half length. So President of the Commission, President, Board of Commission, Trade. Next, leader of the party. Then L, DR and intersection करते हुए P stroke for party. Next is President of the local government board. So पहले हम president लिखेंगे, PR as president and local के लिए L stroke and फिर government disjoin करके government के लिए G stroke and board in half length. Next is Liberal Party. So for Liberal, L stroke and for party P stroke with intersection of the stroke. ठीक है. So these are the few political phrases. Remaining phrases we will do in our next class. So till then you have to practice all the phrases of the political which we done in today class.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.